Tools used in removal and replacement. Ensure that you have the tools you need before you begin. These should include small, Phillips head, P0 and P1, screwdrivers. Small, flat blade screwdriver or a flat blade alignment tool. Case separator tool. Tweezers. Electrostatic discharge, ESD, wrist or shoe strap. Smooth jaw, bent tip needle nose pliers, optional. Small, smooth tip needle nose pliers, optional. Flashlight, optional. Note, if worn or damaged screwdriver tips are used, the small screw heads could become stripped.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, speakers, M.2 solid-state drives, thermal module, DC-in module, motherboard, CU plate, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the LED board ZIF connector and disconnect the backlight ribbon cable from the LED board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the LED board. Using a flat non-conductive tool, carefully remove the LED board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Remove the LED board. Reverse this procedure to install the LED board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.